Fetch AI continues to see a breakdown move after getting rejected within our key area of resistance that lies between the 1.586 and the $1.537. And at the time of this recording, we have also lost a key area of support above the 1.48 and also the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, flipping both areas back into resistance. And on today's video, I will be discussing the significant key areas of support that we need to continue holding in the next coming hours, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade on Fetch AI, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange. And all you need to have for you to register for an account is an email address, and alternatively you can use your mobile number. Jumping back to the charts, I want to start the video by first giving you my long-term price prediction analysis, where I believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an aggressive bounce to the upside that gave us a high above the 3.479, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in a larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are very high chances that we have the lows in place for the second wave, and a wave 3 is coming our way in the next coming weeks or maybe months, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $6. Then we can expect a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in a wave 5, taking us to new all-time highs and possibly giving us more than a 10x to the upside. And since I believe that we have the lows in place for this Elliot wave count 2, and this wave 3 is just getting started, where we also need to see an impulsive movement to the upside in a 5-wave structure, I believe such a scenario is playing out on the lower time frames, and that is better seen here on the 4-hour chart. So jumping to the 4-hour chart, here I have an Elliot wave structure that I have been tracking from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, where you can see that we first peaked in a 5-wave structure, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. And after we peaked in that Elliot wave count 1, we started a bit of a short-term pullback in a larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fibs from the low that we made on the 5th of August to this high in this wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, which lies above the 1.224 and the $0.927, the area that I have highlighted here on the charts. And this is an area that I'm expecting that Fetch AI is going to fully maximize in the next coming hours. And because of the corrective nature in a wave 2, I have also been expecting to see an ABC corrective structure, where on the charts you can see that we have seen the formation of the wave A, we have seen a bounce in a wave B, which is now getting rejected within the minimum target areas for that wave B, and whatever is playing out at the moment is the start of another movement to the lower side in a wave C to fully maximize our minimum target areas. So in the next coming hours, I'm expecting lower prices for Fetch AI to get us into this target area over here, fully maximize the area, give us the low for the second wave before we can finally bounce to the upside in a larger Elliot wave count 3. And I have stated in my previous videos that the moment we get into this area over here, I will consider to buy Fetch AI, expecting a bounce in a wave 3, and that is not financial advice. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.